Hello and welcome to the latest edition of the Vintage Vacuum Cleaner Deep Clean Test. And today we are putting the 1973 Goblin 702 through its paces. This is going to be interesting to see how this machine does. I'm not entirely sold on these floor tools. However, the machine itself, with its really cool twin fan bypass motor, the only cylinder vacuum cleaner I've ever seen in my life with a twin fan bypass motor, should move a fair amount of air and produce a fair amount of suction. So it's in with a chance. How do you think it's going to do? There's only one way to find out, and that's test. Step 1. Thoroughly clean the test carpet with the Shark AX950 UKT. Step 2, weigh out exactly 100 grams of sand. Step 3, sprinkle the sand onto the test carpet. Step 4, agitate the sand into the carpet using a brush. Any sand that comes outside of the game area is pushed back in. And we are ready to test. As ever, the first task is to weigh the machine's dust bag, which we have here. It's actually attached to its front cover, which I'll show you in a second. So we have 358 grams. Look at this, look. See, the whole front is actually attached to the bag, which is pretty crazy. But we start with 358. Right then, here we go. 702, are you ready? Oh, I'm ready. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's do this thing. Get my foot ready to turn the machine on. Alexa, timer 30 seconds.
30 seconds, starting.
Okay, there we go, 30 seconds. Let's weigh the bag and see how much we got. Well, we started off with 358. Let's see what we've ended up with. 450. Ah, okay. Well, the old girl did a fantastic job. Congratulations, 702. You managed to pull out 92% of the sand, which is a great result. And it just goes to show you that twin fans and high airflow make a massive difference to cleaning performance. Oh, I had to put my teeth back in. I can't say my P's. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.